Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to become an IPS officer through the UPSC examination. IPS stands for Indian Police Service and it is one of the most prestigious and challenging jobs in India. The first step to becoming an IPS officer is to meet the eligibility criteria set by the UPSC. The candidate must be an Indian citizen, have a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, and be between the ages of 21 and 32 years. The next step is to clear the preliminary examination, which is a multiple-choice question-based test consisting of 2 papers. The first paper tests the candidate's general knowledge and the second paper tests their aptitude. The candidate must clear this exam to move on to the next stage. The main examination is the second stage and consists of 9 papers, including essay writing, language papers, and general studies. The candidate must clear this exam to move on to the next stage. After clearing the main examination, the candidate must meet the physical and medical standards set by the UPSC. This includes height, weight, eyesight, and other physical attributes. The final stage is the personal interview, which is conducted by a board of UPSC officials. The candidate must clear this interview to become an IPS officer. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in joining the IPS. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.